This is a quick little video of how to set up the Metatrader indicators for LuxAlgo. So when you've signed up and you've entered your details into the website, you'll basically be emailed, and in that email you'll have a connect accounts button. If you click that connect accounts button, you'll be transported to a page like this. It will say connect accounts, and here you enter your ID, your Metatrader account ID. So you get this by going to Metatrader, and you'll have a navigator pane in the bottom left corner. You can, if you don't see this, go view, and then you can select navigator if this is hidden by default, but find this. And then in the account section, you expand that and you'll see your accounts. So for example, for the account I'm on at the moment, my ID is 5007384749. And then it says the name of your account. You don't want that. You just want this number. So you go to this form, you enter this number, you click save. And what it's going to do is it's going to generate a special key for you, and it's also going to email this key to you, so you can have it for the future. And you'll have two sets of keys. It depends on the plan you're getting. If you're getting a Pro plan, you'll just have this key. If you're getting a Pro Plus plan, you'll get both keys. So then what you want to do is you want to download the indicators it provides for you. So there's download buttons, and it says indicator files can be downloaded here. You click that, you'll get a zip file with all the indicators in it. Very easy. And then if you're on Metatrader 5, for example, this is a quick way of loading them. You can go File, Open Data Folder, and then you locate the files where you saved them and you open them. So then once you've done that, you need to come to the navigator. It's automatically going to open it. So it's going to do this. It's going to come to common, and it's going to be like that. If it's not, you can right click on your chart. I'm going to click OK here. It's going to add it automatically, most likely, yeah. So you can right click on your chart. You can go to indicator list, click on it, and click properties. It may pop up with a box saying you do not have authorization to use this indicator because you haven't loaded your keys. So it won't load the indicator. You right click your chart, you go to indicator list, you click, you go properties, and then you scroll to the bottom and you'll see a license key input, and that is where you put your license key. You click OK. You can save it and you click OK, and it's automatically going to unlock that indicator, and it will stay unlocked on your computer for as long as you have it, and it's going to be bound to that specific account. So it's very, very easy to use, very easy to set up. And if you want to see the list of indicators you have or how you use them, you can come to the docs.mt.luxalgo.com. For the smart money indicators, you can see what you get. It explains to you, explains the features. So that comes with the Pro plan, and then it also comes with the Pro Smart Money Screener. So it's going to show you break of structures and chotches on certain assets and timeframes, so you can keep track of how an asset is behaving. So it comes with that, and then for the Pro Plus plan, you get all of these indicators. You get like the parabolic SAR oscillator. These are all downloaded onto your computer. You can use them. Volume footprint, many indicators. And it also, of course, comes with many screeners. So you can see there's a super trend oscillator screener built in. There's a Nadaraya Watson envelope screener, which makes entering trades nice and easy, and so on and so forth. So it's very, very simple to use. So thank you for watching. Hopefully this video helps you install your Metatrader indicators. The docs have a step-by-step if you need that.